Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. My name remains Richie, and today's video I'm going to show you how to make money by typing just captcha. And without wasting much of your time, if you are new to this channel, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, YouTube is going to notify you that hey, your boy, I'll drop a new video, and you're going to be the first person to implement this same method and then make money online. So without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So let me take you through how to sign up to this platform. The name of this platform is 2captcha. So 2captcha.com. Let me take you through how to sign up. So you click on sign up button, and then right after that, you type in your email, you type in your password, confirm your password, and then you accept the agree or the terms of service, or you can choose to sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. And after that, you're going to get an email message which looks like this. So you just copy the code and then you confirm your email, and right after that, or you can click on this to confirm your email. So right after that, you come back to the sign up page, and then you hit on sign in. Automatically your account is going to be signed to your dashboard, and then we take you through how everything works. So with 2captcha, you can make money with just typing in captchas. Yes, just fixing captchas on websites. So it's very simple as ABC. You don't have to spend a lot of time on this. Just captcha, you type in maybe 3 or 4 words, and then you get paid each and every minute or second. So guys, this is the dashboard of 2captcha, and you can read through whatever you want to read and then get to know the site better. Yes, you can go through the site and then get to know the site better. So right here on the dashboard, you click on start work. So you must click on start work, and then it will take you to where you are going to fix in, or you are going to type in these captchas and then earn money by typing in these captchas. So guys, this is the what we are expected to do before we can go with 2captcha. So you say Windows, you must use this. So let's try to fixing all these things, and then let's keep it for tutorial 6, so you can install all these plugins, extensions on your browser, and then enable to make a lot of money at higher rates. So let me click on remind me later and keep my browser. So this is the workers page of 2captcha. So all you need to do is to click on start work, and automatically they are going to land you to a place where you're going to type in this captcha and then make money. So you must do a little bit survey. What language do you speak? I speak this language. Okay, so you can add your language, which is English, the language that you speak. So let me clean this and then use their language, and then click on save, so that they can offer you captchas that will be in those language that you selected. So if you are you speak English and then you choose French, means they're going to bring you captchas in French, and I think they are going to take us through a simple training. So click on start work again, and where you see type in this captcha and then submit, send. So these are the things that we need to do. So we have only 25 seconds to finish the captcha, and another one will come. So if you can't fix that, you click Alt plus Q and it's going to jump you to another one, because as for this one, we were not able to know what the captcha was about. So that is it. So these are the things that you need to do to earn money on this platform. As simple as that. So let's move on. Let me take you to where you can request for your payouts and your payment method. So when you make money on this platform, it will show here, and then or it will show here. So you can request for payouts at this place, or you come to okay, you can click on this payout button, and then you can select your payment method over there, and their payment threshold is very simple. So those of us who are using PayPal, this thing will not work for you. So PayPal, Western Union bank accounts are not available and will never be available. So you can request or click on change wallet, and then you click on change wallet, and then you can edit your wallet, and this is how everything works. So you can use web money, perfect money, Bitcoin, ADV cash, payer, ATM, Bitcoin cash, or USDT. So as for USDT is $30, and then Bitcoin cash is 25 cents, ATM is $1, payer is 50 cents, ADV cash 50 cents, Bitcoin $10, perfect money 50 cents, and web money is 50 cents. So these are the minimum withdrawal that you can withdraw from this site, and the fees are 000. So they don't withdraw, they didn't deduct any fee from your money. As simple as that. So guys, take this action, and they have, I think they have an affiliate program over here that you can join to even make more money on this platform. So let's look at how everything is being made over here. So as for the affiliate program, you can copy your link over here. I will leave the link to this platform in the comment section. I'll pin it over there so that you can click on it straightforward and come to this site and then create an account, and you can earn money by typing in captcha. So what you need to do is enjoy the best commission on industry. So you can earn $10 from your referral, 10% for your referral commissions, and you can use, those of us who are YouTubers, you can use this opportunity to make money, and you can create a landing page for that, articles and then banners and everything that you can do to make money online. So guys, this method works worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can use this platform to make money online. As simple as that. So until I see my next video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and then comment down below if you want me to do another video on different methods. You can comment down below. And guys, don't forget that I do love you guys, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.